So my viewers and subscribers, this was part of my first part of my farming, planting lime tree. But I give it some time that they could develop and start bearing, so I could bring you the news of it and how it's doing right now. These are all what I planted since I came from Canada. Look at them, they're bearing. These are like 3-4 years, I would assume, because and it's not too much of a long while back, but to be exact I can't remember, but it's between 3 to 4 years I plant these, and see the result of them. They're coming. So my diaspora people who have land in Jamaica, there's lots of ways of doing things. This is my way of doing my thing. Coming back to Jamaica, I didn't leave and go to far